everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Map of Me, and I hope that you are ready to dive into the topic. Map of Me is a digital youth channel where we cover topics with our closest of people, with our friends and family, not only in offices but also the streets and everywhere across the globe. We cover topics not only to discuss the issues but also the solutions. And if you're someone who believes in a healthy lifestyle, yes, this episode is just for you. So the question we can start the episode with is Kolkata a cycling city?
Hi guys, I'm Rohan and I'm your second host for today. Now you might be thinking that there's some problem in the show, the answer to which is this cycle, right? As has happened all along. But no, today we'll not start the show with a problem but with a solution, as the cycle has no two opinions. It's the best solution.
So would you go anywhere with cycle if you were given a chance to?
Yeah, definitely. Cycle. See, people are moving on the cycle. I love to cycle. I love to do the cycling. And cycling is the best exercise, I would say, apart from anything else.
Right. So do you think in Kolkata cycling should be more promoted?
Yeah, definitely. Everyone should be cycle. Don't take your car, don't take your bikes. You take the cycle and do the cycle.
If you would have given a chance to go with your cycle everywhere, would you do that?
Yes, if I'm in a group, why not?
All of you would be given a chance to go everywhere just with your cycle. Would you do that?
I think we all should say a unanimous yes.
Absolutely, that's a complete yes. Yep. Yes. Totally.
Completely yes.
Ma'am, like in European cities, cycling is really common. So what are the challenges people in Kolkata face for that?
I am still a beginner, so I wouldn't know. But there are a lot of people who would probably be able to answer that to you. But yeah, we have a lot of flatlands and we don't have hills here.
Right.
So yeah, of course, there it's better for them because they get more training, and we are used to only flatlands. So yeah.
Cycling in Kolkata should be more promoted.
Absolutely yes.
It's such a healthy lifestyle. Everybody should do it. Absolutely yes. We should promote it. Definitely.
We need to be recognized more and be able to cycle.
Okay.
Yes, of course it should be, and I think for that, first we need to fix our roads.
So, ma'am, do you think cycling in Kolkata should be more promoted?
Of course, it should be, as it is promoted all over the world. Here, the culture is still building, and a lot of us are here into it. So yeah, it should be promoted, and people should engage more in it for sure. Yeah, right.
Hello everyone, welcome to Map of Me. Thank you for being a part of our show, ma'am. If we could start by you telling a little about you, a little about the group to the audience.
I am, now you can see I'm cyclist, so I can call myself cyclist, but though I'm not at all cyclist, they are, you can see them, their attire and their attitude and their aggressive, but I'm very fun-loving, you can say fun-loving cyclist. Easy going, very slow pacer. I ride by 16, 17 or 18 average speed, and I always listen to songs. हर वक्त गाना सुनती हूँ ताकि दिमाग एकदम खाली रहे, और you can see the traffic, और today traffic is very bad.
Right.
तो ये सब क्रॉस करके पैदल जैसे भी हो, I enjoy and I'm cycling. I'm in filmmaking and I'm a fun-loving person, और मुझे वो करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है जो मुझे लगता है कि शायद ये मैं नहीं कर सकूँगी. हाँ. और मेरे जो पतिदेव है ना, मैं अभी इनको बता रही थी कि कोई भी चीज़ मैं बहुत कीनली अगर देखूँ ना तो वो डर जाते हैं और कहते हैं कि तुम ये नहीं कर रही हो, हाँ तुम ये नहीं कर सकोगी, ये तुम नहीं करना, इसके लिए सोचना भी नहीं. तो वही है कि ठीक है, मतलब अभी मैं मेरी फ्रेंड बॉबी को बोल रही थी कि अगर इंसान चांद तक पहुंच सकता है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ. तो ये कहती नहीं भाई, हम तो छोटा सोचते हैं कि यहाँ अपना टी स्टॉल है जहाँ हम लोग अड्डा देते हैं, वहाँ तक अगर हम लोग पहुँच जाए तो हम लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ट्रैफिक इज़ वेरी बैड इन कोलकाता। ट्रैफिक इज़ वेरी बैड। रोड्स की बात क्या करें, वो तो पेड्स ये सब हैं ही, लेकिन आपको तो सब कुछ मतलब फेस करके ही करना है। दिस द थिंग।
One more problem is with cycling is dogs.
Okay.
Early morning dogs, and she got hurt because of dogs or
And
early
that's why
morning.
I'm not cycling today. Otherwise, I would have been in the same attire.
Every area, this open dogs, they are
And
just
that
horror
wound-
to us.
Yeah, that wound she has got because of dog only and because of cycle only.
Please highlight this. Please take care of this dogs because they are just horror for us and makes us little bit more difficulty during early morning time when we started at 4 o'clock or 4:30. So because of that, we are so scared and it's
Exactly.
really very bad for us.
So, continuing to that question, ma'am, is there any design or any plan or any unwritten law would you like to promote so that it is easier for each and every cyclist present in Kolkata?
See, as for the traffic rules are good in Kolkata, very good. We can cycle, but the road bikers, they cannot cycle, they cannot ride over here. But we can, because I am slow, we are slow, ठीक है, चलता है. लेकिन अगर लेन्स बन जाए, हाँ, बट वी नो, अगर हम लोग ऐसे बोले कि लेन्स बन जाए तो बोलेगा हाँ, यू गो टू न्यू टाउन. तो न्यू टाउन द रोड्स आर वेरी गुड एंड मोर और लेस द रोड बाइकर्स गो देयर ओनली फॉर द लॉन्ग राइड्स एंड ऑल. और हम लोग न्यू टाउन रोज जाना मुश्किल है कि वहाँ इतना ट्रैफिक क्रॉस करके जाना है. तो इट इज़ बेटर. आप सोचो, मैंने 175 किलोमीटर यहीं पर किया है, गोल 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 घूम के. हाँ, तो ये और अच्छा, यू कैन से दैट व्हाई डोंट यू गो टू हाईवेज. अब हाईवेज वी कैन नॉट गो सोलो, वी कैन नॉट डू सोलो. यहाँ मैं सोलो करती हूँ, 2 बजे तक करती हूँ, 4 बजे तक करती हूँ, रात के 9 बजे तक घर पहुँची. हाँ, लेकिन हाईवेज में क्या है, यू कैन नॉट गेट SOS. हाँ, आई हैव टू कॉल माई फैमिली, आई हैव टू कॉल समवन कि हाँ चलो आओ. तो उनको भी फेस करना पड़ेगा. दे हैव टू कम, दे हैव टू पिक मी. साइकिल में कुछ हो गया तो फिर हाईवेज में ये प्रॉब्लम है.
That the road condition in
yes,
Kolkata
very
is
bad.
very bad. And during this season, you know,
Rain.
after rains and you know, just the roads are bad. So you know, you have those potholes and stuff like that. That's really bad. If you miss one, you are like gone.
हो गया.
Your cycle gets damaged, you fall, you bound to fall. You know, fall.
And the red road, you have seen the red road, that's a VIP road. That is restricted for cyclists. Okay. तो जब भी पुलिस कहते हैं कि ए साइकिल साइकिल साइकिल, भैया और नहीं आ रहे हैं हम, हाँ, बस सीधे जा रहे हैं. तो एक्चुअली साइकिलिस्ट दैट इज फॉर द मोर द डेली वेंडर्स. हाँ, वो इस साइकिल के लिए नहीं शायद, तो हमको फिर समझाना पड़ता है भैया इस साइकिल के लिए नहीं है ये रेस्ट्रिक्शन. लेकिन ठीक है, चलो कुछ तो है.
We should promote cycle also, environmental point of view also, because this is totally pollution free.
Right, ma'am.
So we should always, Calcutta's people also should promote this cycle part more with respect to motorbikes and other vehicles.
Right, ma'am. So, could you tell us the skills required to perform cycling?
I think for skills required,
they can say better.
person.
Sir, if you could tell us the skills required to cycle.
It's not required any skill.
Okay.
कोई स्किल का जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ राइड करना है, ठीक है. इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस. ओवरऑल आपका प्रैक्टिस के ऊपर. सो आप पहले स्टार्टिंग कीजिए 10 किलोमीटर से. अभी राइट नाउ वी आर डूइंग अराउंड 50 किलोमीटर्स पर डे. सो एक दिन में नहीं होता है, ठीक है. हम लोग स्टार्ट किया अराउंड 2.5 years. हम लोग 2.5 साल से हम लोग कर रहे हैं. सो ये सर तो मतलब
हमने चालू किया है साइकिलिंग 1 साल से 1.25 साल से. तो शुरू में हमारा बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा था. 5 किलोमीटर 10 किलोमीटर मैक्सिमम चला पा रहे थे. फिर धीरे धीरे मन में तय किया कि हर रोज़ अपग्रेड करना है, खुद को अपग्रेड करना है. क्यों करना है? अपना हेल्थ के लिए. जितना हो सके उतना करो. फिर अपने फोकस किया, उसको अचीव करने का पूरा टारगेट बनाया. धीरे धीरे चालू किया और हम जिसको फॉलो करते उसको प्रॉपर फॉलो कर रहे थे 2 लोगों को. तो वो फॉलो करने के बाद हमको ऐसा लगा कि हम और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, और इम्प्रूव. फिर धीरे धीरे करते करते हो गया और इससे बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ हेल्थ के लिए. सबसे बेस्ट, जल्दी नींद खुल जाती है, जल्दी सो जाते हैं. मैं तो डेली 9 बजे सो जाता हूँ.
लॉट्स ऑफ बेनिफिट.
और हेल्थ के लिए
लूज योर वेट, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, अप टू आपका पैर का नेल से शुरू करके आपका हेयर तक सब कुछ काम में आएगा.
एकदम.
ये आप समझ लो.
मेरा नेल का सर्जरी करना था, लेकिन साइकिलिंग करने के बाद और सब उसके हिसाब से प्रोटीन सब फूड लेने के बाद हेल्थ के लिए जो बेनिफिट मिले वो सब करने के बाद आज मेरा नेल बहुत अच्छा हो गया, बहुत अच्छा। सोच के बाद डॉक्टर बोला कि कैसे हुआ, मैं बोला ऐसे हो गया। उससे क्या पानी इंटेक होता है, फूड अच्छा जाता है, प्रोटीन, तो इससे बहुत फायदा है। जैसे जोगदा ने बताया नेल से लेके
आर्थराइटिस। मेरा आर्थराइटिस है अभी, मेरा भी है, बट बिलीव मी आर्थराइटिस अभी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है। यस, ओनली फॉर द साइकिलिंग। स्विमिंग और साइकिलिंग दोनों सबसे बेस्ट थिंग्स है, बट स्विमिंग तो अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है, सब पूल्स बंद है। तो आई एम ए प्रोफेशनल स्विमर ऑल्सो। सो आपको वो अगर नहीं हो रहा तो दूसरा तो कुछ ना करना पड़ेगा, तो इसमें कोई।
हमने साइकिलिंग से 20 kg लॉस किया, 90 kg था और अभी हम 70 है।
सचिन तेंदुलकर है, ठीक है, ये 600,000।
I call him rabbit and I am turtle. I call him. He's rabbit and I am turtle.
Then you win at the end.
Yeah, yes. No, we will win together.
Right, 400 kilometers, 600 kilometers at a stretch.
अरे that's
हमारा ग्रुप का सबसे बेस्ट मोटिव।
sir, if you could please tell something, कुछ भी please.
नहीं, साइकिलिंग बस के लिए हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है। हमने स्टार्ट ही इसीलिए किया था, मेरे फ्रेंड को लिगामेंट में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, तो उसका 6 महीने के बाद डॉक्टर ने बोला कि तुम अब साइकिलिंग स्टार्ट कर। तो ऐसे ऐसे हमारा ग्रुप बना, वरना हमको भी साइकिल लेके पड़ा था पार्किंग में, चलाते नहीं थे। डॉक्टर ने बोला तो हम एक दिन लेके निकले। पहले दिन 5 किलोमीटर, बाद में धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव हो गए। मतलब अभी हम मतलब कुछ भी 500 किलोमीटर 600 किलोमीटर खाली माइंड सेट करना है कि आज बस निकलना है। क्या इवेंट रहता है, तो उसमें क्या फिक्स ही है कि 7 दिन के बाद मुझे 500 किलोमीटर जाना है, तो हो जाता है। खाली माइंड सेट का है, कोई है नहीं वो ज़्यादा।
So, ma'am,
All these sports for that matter, you have to, frame your mind and train your mind accordingly, and the body,
accommodate.
Yeah, exactly.
When I tell you, I was 90
Okay.
and I'm now 75 because of cycling.
Okay, ma'am. Any incident you would like to share with the audience? Something, any situation, any challenge you faced?
Really challenge. A new day is bringing a new challenge. It's really. मतलब आज देखो, आज आपने बुलाया. I was just facing that महालया वाला भीड़ है ना at Red Road and all.
Traffic issues, road issues, dog issues.
एक दिन डॉग इशू हो गया है ना, तो रोज कुछ चैलेंजेस हैं। अच्छा, ये चैलेंजेस तो अलग हैं, और वी टेक अप साइकिलिंग चैलेंजेस, वर्चुअल चैलेंजेस है ना। तो हम लोगों ने जैसे कारगिल टू कन्याकुमारी किया, हम लोगों ने बहुत सा हम डेली कुछ चैलेंज
Around the world in 80 days. So that was covering the entire, the
Group wise we have.
the planet, distance of the planet, the size of the planet, and just ride on the Kolkata. So that's a virtual thing.
But then we had participants from all over the world.
That's really nice, ma'am. So, any word of advice to the youth of Map of Me? Something or the other?
So I guess in today's era, if we can incorporate cycle as our daily traveling this thing.
Right.
So that would be very good for the universe, for the ecosystem, everything.
And don't stuck with this thing, this phone and all net thing. Come with cycle and make relations with others. Oh चाचा हटो, oh दादा हटो, बाबा जी डेली का है ये। तो यही कहूँगी कि साइकिल ले लो और चलाओ और फिट रहो।
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was indeed healthy to have you guys on our show. Have a great day ahead, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Now we've heard what the people of the city have to talk about the infrastructure of the city. Now let's hear the guests and the experts of the same topic talk about the same things. Ma'am, could you start by introducing yourself?
Hi, I am Shraddha Mehta. I am born and brought up in this city of joy, Kolkata.
This rigorous passion that you have of cycling, of running marathons, of being involved in fitness, what led you to select this as your passion?
In present state, this fitness thing is both my profession and my passion. But yes, it did start as a passion for me.
Okay.
It was when I was just going through a very rough phase in my life. So my daughter's school had participated as an NGO in one of the events that was being held in the city. So she kind of, Mama, chalo hum bhi karte hain. And she pushed me into it. So that was the time I did my first 10K walk.
Okay.
It wasn't a run. I couldn't run, obviously.
Okay.
I wasn't trained and all. So, but then after that, I felt very nice about
Okay.
it. And I was always interested in sports in my school days, but then never thought of taking it up, further
As a
as
career.
training seriously or something.
Okay.
So after that 10K, I got interested in running and I joined a running group in
Okay.
Kolkata. Kolkata has a lot of running groups here.
Okay.
We have around 18, 19 running groups
That's
in
a
the
lot.
city, yes. All over the city there are running groups and
Okay.
people do train together.
Okay.
So I joined a group which was closest to my location and I started training with them.
Okay.
Meanwhile, my training, I got fascinated by a new form of running which was the bare feet running.
Okay. Okay.
So in Calcutta, if you ask anybody in running community, if they know me, they will know me as the bare feet runner.
Okay. That is interesting.
Yeah. So while I was training, then once I started running bare feet, I enjoyed it and then I started training for long distances.
Okay.
So till date, I have done 3 full marathons, a lot of half marathons and 10K, 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer distance. And during lockdown, another big change that came in my life was like during this training and all, I just got in touch with one of my friends.
Okay.
He's a director of a sports event company here,
Okay.
Sportiz.
Okay.
So then he just offered me a job that, Shraddha, since you are so much interested in fitness and all, why don't you join Sportiz?
Okay.
So this was a major career shift for me because
Okay.
teaching and sports, they are like
Poles
two
apart.
completely different things, yes. So, but since I was interested in this stream and I was also into running and all, I had thoda bahut knowledge tha
Yeah,
about
yeah.
how events are done and all.
Definitely.
So I took up this opportunity that
Okay.
came across and now I'm working with Sportiz. It's been nearly a year with them.
Okay.
And we have done a few events during this last lockdown phase and all.
Okay.
And in the coming season, that just December, January, February, we have a few more events lined up
Okay.
across India.
Okay. What do you think are the good effects? What do you think actually helps people when they are into sports, when they are into fitness and cycling and running? What helps people?
See, fitness itself is like a meditation.
Yeah.
So meditation helps you feel good. So
Definitely.
fitness is also something which will help you feel good.
Yeah.
Like in cycling also, I have a few friends, who are quite healthy, I would
Okay.
say. But then they cycle really well.
Okay. What do you say about the urban planning and the planning of the city? Does it complement the sport, the sporting atmosphere in the city? Or, for example, you are cycling.
Yeah.
So does it actually help you, the urban planning? Or is it adverse for you?
I wouldn't say it helps too much. There are a few stretches of very good roads.
Okay.
See, cycling is best if you have a flat road.
road.
If not flat, if you even have, uphills and downhills, like
Yeah.
maybe a flyover or something. But if the roads are good, then you can really enjoy
Yes,
cycling.
definitely.
Because the kind of bicycles we ride, they are all race cycles.
Okay.
So they really go fast.
Okay.
So because of the road constructions here, there are a lot of new roads being made.
Yeah.
There are a lot of construction, repair
Yeah,
works
yeah.
being done. So that has, and plus the weather. This season
Definitely.
we have had a crazy rainfall. It's still
Yes.
monsoon going on, we
Yes.
feel. So because of that, road conditions are very, very bad
Poor.
right now. So there are potholes and all, which are we don't plan. We just say
Definitely,
ki,
yeah.
like cycling karna hai, so we just plan a start point and a finish
Yeah.
point.
Yeah.
So beach mein, route mein, if there are some bad stretches or some potholes, then we don't know. So
I know.
maybe, if those are repaired at least, if the
Yeah.
roads are good, then yeah. Because during the last lockdown,
Yeah.
the cycling community in Kolkata has multiplied. I wouldn't say
Okay.
doubled, it has actually multiplied.
Okay.
From my younger daughter, she's 8 years old.
Okay.
She has also started cycling.
It's best to
So,
start young.
Yeah, plus then during cycling, actually people were not allowed, going to any
Go out.
sports arena or
Okay, yeah,
something.
yeah.
So karne ke liye, like you could either go for a walk or
Yeah.
maybe you could go for a jog or a run or you could cycle. So cycling is kind of a new passion the city has developed.
Okay. Okay.
And there are a lot of very, very good like national level cyclists here.
Okay.
So they also train with us. In fact, they are coaches for our group. I'm a
Okay.
part of a cycling group as well,
Okay.
Discover on Wheels.
Okay.
Today only we had a jersey launch for the team.
That's great.
Yeah, so we have quite a good few good cyclists here.
Okay.
So if the roads and all get a little better, you know, cycling can come up even in a
Definitely.
better way.
Ma'am, my next question is aligned with how you said people are multiplying in
Yeah.
the cycling groups. What would you have as advice for the younger generation, for the upcoming generation who are still looking forward to joining sports but have not yet joined sports? What do you prescribe to them as advice? Do you tell them to join sports? And if so, then how do you tell them?
Okay, of course I would.
Yeah.
I would recommend sports, any form of sports. It could just be skipping at your
Okay.
place. It could just be jogging, walking.
Yeah.
But yes, if you start young, then your body is already used to.
Definitely, yeah.
So then you will see changes very soon. So yes, for the upcoming generation, but I think, you know, because of the COVID and all, what the children have seen in the last 2 years, a lot of parents are anyways motivating children to do something or the other.
Yeah. I'm so happy that our viewers could actually hear your
Thank
story.
you so much.
Thank you so much for having your
Thank
time
you.
with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
We met these amazing cyclists who have so much to say, so much advice to give, so much skill to share to the younger generation of Map of Me. So, if you are interested in building your career and giving directions to yourself, Map of Me is exactly the place you should be at. At the end of the segment, here are 2 quiz questions you can answer and win exciting prizes. The first one, what is the lane cyclists generally use while they're cycling? The second one, what are the benefits of cycling? So that brings us to the end of the segment. Be a part of us and don't forget to log into www.mapofme.in. Stay tuned, keep cycling and be healthy.
Map of Me!